Excellence in Quality Prizes outlines companies' achievements and serves as a guide to partners and customers. It is given to prominent regional companies that can demonstrate excellence in quality management and their approach to the satisfaction of customers, employees, and other stakeholders. So our first award today, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Network Integrity Assurance Technologies from Brunei Darussalam, and the CEO is Lim Ming Soon. And I'm very pleased to say, ladies and gentlemen, that Lim Ming Soon has agreed to give us an interview today, and I have a few questions for him.
Hi, Jeffrey.
Hello. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm very well indeed. Thank you. It's lovely to see you. And thank you for agreeing to answer a few questions here today.
Pleasure is mine.
The first question is one factor about that has concerned the whole world for the past 18 months. So how has COVID-19 and the current situation influenced your company and its activities?
Thank you, Jeffrey. As you may be aware that Brunei is now experiencing the second wave of the pandemic. It was unexpected, and I think nobody was prepared for it, to be honest, because we have been free from community spread for more than a year since the first wave. When the news announced of the second wave, we immediately activated our BCP, our business continuity plan. Staff were made to work from home. If they have to come to the office, there's only a limited number of people allowed to enter the premises at any one time. So we make sure that they follow the SOP strictly in accordance to our Ministry of Health guideline, such as the face mask must be worn at all times, social distancing, and no overcrowding. Our field team and technical team are the ones that affected the most, as they have installation and maintenance plan for our onshore and offshore customer. But we do our due diligence and risk assessment very carefully before any deployment. We have our rapid COVID testing, self-isolation at home before send them off to the sites. So once the job is completed, they will have to again go through a full swab test and isolation in accordance to the government regulation before they go back homes to their family. So during this pandemic, we try our very best to still meet our customer expectation, the service requirement. But at the same time, we still have to take care of our team to make sure that they are safe so that they can return home safely to their family. Also, we would also like to be part of the responsible entity to support the government initiative to flatten the curve again in the second wave of the pandemic.
That's very, very interesting, and actually in some ways leads me on to my second question. You obviously care a great deal about your staff. You have taken a great deal of trouble to ensure their safety. And this may link in with my next question, which is, can you describe your leadership style?
I have my very own way of leading my team. But first of all, I will always have an open door policy for anyone or everyone who wishes to voice out their concern, or perhaps they just need someone to talk to or to get advice from. I myself came from an organization, started from the very bottom, and I understand the struggles of having superiors who are unapproachable. So with this kind of approach, I hope I can be closer and more connected to my team so that I can make sure that the plans can be well cascaded and synergized across all levels of the company. Secondly, I really do not believe in micromanaging, right? Because I have full faith in my team to carry out their tasks delegated to them. In NIAT, everyone works together as a team seamlessly because we all have the same corporate objective to fulfill. I find micromanaging is an obsolete way of leading, and it drains the creativity, freedom, and it limits the potential of a staff that might have inside them. So my aim here is to uncover and unlock this potential and to help them to exploit their inner talent and also confidence. I always believe that the key to effective leadership is always empowerment and entrustment. Be patient and believe in your team. So I'm here not only to ensure the company performance, but for the development of the people. So because I always believe that people are the driving force behind the success of the company. So in other words, I'm here to groom the next generation of leaders so that they can continue the journey contributing to the development of our Brunei Visions 2035.
Yeah, and very, very laudable it is too. And my final question to you, sir, is, and what, in your opinion, is your main company value?
Our company has a mission statement, right? That we empower our team through constant innovation, being customer focused, which will in return add value to our end users and stakeholders. From these very missions, it derives three key values of the company. Number one, empowering our people, and then being customer focused and shareholder values. And with these values, it has becoming the lifeline of our company's sustainability. Empowering our people by trusting and delegation, because they are the key driving force behind the success of this company. So through constant and continuous grooming and nurturing, they can be the next generation of leaders. And being customer focused, being customer focused allowed us to get closer to our customer, to understand their pain point, find a solution to address their pain point. This will lead to better customer service, customer satisfaction. Of course, it fosters a closer relationship with our customer. Eventually and ultimately, we are looking for brand loyalty, right? Last but not least, with the support of our shareholders, it gives us the enthusiasm and momentum to strive further to ensure the company sustainability and profitability. So as you can see, our company key values derive from the missions that encompasses a full spectrum from company performance to customer satisfaction, from people development to shareholders' values.
Thank you. Lim Ming Soon, CEO of Network Integrity Assurance Technologies. Thank you very much indeed, sir, for your time. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you. It's my pleasure.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.